Hey, I'm Gilbert Liu from MTC's Advanced Manufacturing Program, and these guys have gone to work in a career, not a job, but a career with a company called Feld Entertainment. And I believe that they're pretty much working with Disney on Ice, and I know that they've traveled a few places already, but they just left last semester, and already they've traveled. And within the next year, after being with Feld for a half a year or so, knowing what they're doing, learning what they have to learn from Feld, they're going to be traveling 31 countries around the world. This class at MTC is not just a game changer for a lot of our students, but it's also a life changer.
My name is Robert Navarro.
My name is Christian Ventura.
My name is Esau. I'm a former student of Advanced Manufacturing.
Roderick McCown. When we came here at MTC, we didn't really know what we were going to get ourselves into. We came here with Advanced Manufacturing, Mr. Gilbert Liu, got our hands on robotics, hydraulics, lasers, CAD work, just everything hands-on. Now we also have a great career working for Feld Entertainment. Also feels very good to come back and see students and talk to students about our job.
Coming into the class, I really didn't have much experience with anything. Andy really wasn't raised that way too much. I just didn't get my hands on a lot of things growing up. I played sports, but that's about it. I came into this class not knowing much. I watched the video on the class, the informational video, and I got really hooked on the hydraulic module back there. I don't know why, it just looked very interesting to me. And when I came into the class a few weeks later, Mr. B was very optimistic and open about everything. He took us through everything. In about the first 2 weeks, we got our hands on every piece of equipment, even before half of the first quarter got here.
I didn't plan it at all. I came in here, didn't know what I was going to do, left doing that. And it's been great so far, really. I learned a lot here that I apply at my job, and I'm still getting better every day, really.
Over the last year and a half, I've traveled through various states in America. I've left the country twice on multiple long trips. My last trip I just got back from was Puerto Rico. That was about 18 days. So a month before Puerto Rico, I was in Europe. I was leaving Poland, but before that, from December 1st to April 5th, I had to spend 5 months straight in Europe. Started in the Netherlands, went to Ireland, left Ireland, went back to the Netherlands, left the Netherlands, went to France, stayed in France for about a month, went to 3 cities. I stayed in Paris. I didn't leave, I didn't go home. I didn't have a problem with it, I loved it. But basically I get to travel the world, I get to work, use what I learned from this class, learn many new things, work-wise and just world experience-wise. How to really claim you know something until you're able to teach the same thing back to our bosses. So, same works actually the same way in the real world than it did it here. It helped so much doing that then. You don't see it coming actually, but being able to teach somebody is really being able to share the knowledge, being able to spread it all so everybody else can know.
So at the time, I didn't really know what Feld Entertainment was or what they did. I always drove by it, living in Palmetto, always seen it when it was first getting built. And it's now an unbelievable experience knowing what they do and now knowing that I have a career there as an ice technician for Disney on Ice.
When I first came in this class, I didn't know what I was going to do after this class, until B helped me out, pick a career. And now I'm working for Feld Entertainment as also an ice technician for Disney on Ice.
The craziest thing is that we just came out of this class not even like 3 months ago, and I just been working for Feld Entertainment for a month already, and I already have a city lined up. But another crazy thing is some of my friends that also came from this class, like Roderick or Zezian or Esau, they already traveled Europe, they went to Puerto Rico, they went to Mexico, they traveled all over the US. It's just mind-blowing that it's gonna be us this year as well.
Also very grateful for Mr. B for giving this opportunity for us, and just we're very prepared.
Hey, I'm Gilbert Liu from MTC's Advanced Manufacturing, and I'm here today with a few of my guests that are former students, and they're working at Feld Entertainment. I want to say thank you. Good shout out to Feld Entertainment, because honestly, you've done so much to help our students. I can't thank you enough. Bill Easterly, I know you're out there watching. I'm going to tell you something. You guys are solid, rock solid. Thank you for hiring my students. I am so proud of these young men and women that are working at Feld Entertainment, and they come into our classroom for the first time. Unbeknownst to them, they don't even know what's ahead of them. They can't even think about what's coming up. And when they leave with careers. MTC is all about having a career in a year. Well, here at MTC in Advanced Manufacturing, we do that in a half a year. I'm Gilbert Liu from MTC's Advanced Manufacturing, and I'm going to tell you I'm so proud of my students. It's such a blessing for me that I have great students. Everything that I've done in life, I've gotten there because of my work that my students have done. I've had many, many honors in teaching, Teacher of the Year, and all these different things, and it's never been because of what I've done. It's always been because of what my students have done. And right here, right before us right now, are 4 students that are traveling the world and entertaining the world and setting up Disney on Ice for Feld Entertainment. They do an outstanding job, and they're going to continue to do an outstanding job, and they have a career in less than a year. Here at MTC, it's not just this one, but make things happen. Because companies around the world are hiring our students for careers that are just off the chart. Gilbert Liu, MTC. See you at class.